Today I'm going to show you how to make basic overnight oats, and I'm going to give you a bunch of ideas for different add-ins that will make it extra flavorful and protein packed. You'll need some old-fashioned oats, any type of milk that you prefer, and a jar to store them in the fridge overnight. I'm going to do 1 cup of oats and 1 cup of milk. You can do any amount you'd like. The key is to make it equal parts. Give it a little stir. So for the most basic version, you would stop there and put it in the fridge overnight. If you want to step it up a notch, you can add all kinds of stuff to this. For some extra fiber and protein, some chia seeds, some hemp seeds. If you want some texture or a crunch, you could add some almonds or any type of chopped nuts. You could also add any kind of fruit. You could do chopped up apples, berries, fresh or frozen. I actually like to add fruit in the morning on top of it when I'm ready to eat it. For a little bit of flavor, you could add some cinnamon. You can also add protein powder to this. I have chocolate on hand, so I'm going to add some chocolate protein powder. Because I have so many add-ins, I am going to add a little bit of extra milk. All right, so your overnight oats is ready to go in the fridge overnight, and it'll be ready to eat in the morning. You could grab this whole thing and bring it with you, or you could scoop some of it into a bowl to eat. This will last me more than 1 day, so I will be eating from this over the next couple days. It is really good with some fresh fruit on it. You could slice up banana, chop up apple, or top it with some berries. If you like it a little bit on the sweet side, you could also drizzle some honey on top. I'm curious to know, have you tried overnight oats before? I was really resistant at first, and my sister got me to try it. It was so surprisingly good and convenient that I really fell in love with it. Hey, if you enjoyed this recipe today, check out my other recipes. I've got a whole playlist. Have we met yet? My name's Sarah and I'm the mom next door. I'm all about finding ways to live life better and sharing what I learn with all of you. I invite you to hit subscribe and join the virtual village.